Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best generator brushes is probably one of the most overlooked components in your generator, but they are absolutely critical. These small parts are the unsung heroes, responsible for transferring electrical power between the moving and stationary parts of your generator. Without them, your generator simply won't work. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of generator brushes, exploring what they are, how they work, and what you need to know to choose the right ones. Number 5. YAMAKATO Predator 6500 Generator Carbon Brush Assembly. Are you looking for a reliable carbon brush assembly for your generator? This product is designed to fit a wide range of generators, ensuring optimal performance. This carbon brush assembly is an OEM replacement, compatible with Honda, Champion, and many other popular generator brands. It's a direct fit for various models. Specifically designed for 5 kW generators with GX390, GX340 and clone engines. It features Cooper connecting terminals and a metal ring for secure installation. The mounting hole diameter is 6 mm, with a center-to-center distance of 26 mm. This ensures a perfect fit for your generator. Installation is straightforward. Each set comes with 2 brushes in a protective paper box. This packaging helps to reduce costs while ensuring the brushes are well protected. This assembly fits a variety of generator brands and models, including Predator, Champion, and more. It's a versatile solution for your generator needs. Please note that this generator carbon brush is different from a 2 kW generator carbon brush. This one is a bit bigger but looks similar. What we like. This brush assembly is designed to fit a vast array of generator brands and models, making it a versatile choice. It's built to OEM specifications, ensuring a perfect fit and reliable performance. If you have a generator from a popular brand and need a dependable replacement, you should consider this one. What people say. These brushes fit my 3550 running watt 4450 starting watt Champion generator perfect, direct plug and play brush replacement. Direct fit for green power generators. This Harbor Freight generator was a gift in sad shape. I am thrilled that YAMAKATO is supplying the parts to keep it running. Prior YAMAKATO purchases got it together and it ran perfectly during our last week-long power outage. Brushes will be on the shelf here when needed. Number 4. 10L0L Golf Cart Starter Generator Brush Kit. This is a set of 4 brushes designed for Reliance and Hitachi starter generators. It's perfect for golf carts and utility vehicles, ensuring smooth operation. It's a direct replacement for club car gas models from 1984 to 2002. This kit replaces several OEM part numbers, ensuring a perfect fit for your vehicle. This brush kit is also compatible with EZGO gas carts, both 2-cycle models from 1978 and up, and 4-cycle models from 1991 and up. It replaces multiple OEM part numbers. The kit fits a wide range of Yamaha gas cart models, including G1, G2, G8, and many more. It replaces several OEM part numbers, ensuring a reliable performance. For more details, please check the OEM cross-reference and the starter generator applicable model list. This ensures you get the right fit for your specific needs. What we like. This kit is specifically designed for golf cart starter generators, offering a direct replacement for several OEM part numbers. With a set of 4 brushes, it provides a complete solution for your golf cart's needs. If you're a golf cart owner experiencing starting issues, this is the perfect solution for you. What people say. The brushes fit perfectly and the generator is working great. These brushes were exactly what I needed to get my generator back up and running. Installed these brushes and my generator is working like new. Number 3. 1 Power Carbon Brush Assembly for P54332 P54508. This is a replacement part for your 1 Power tools. It's designed to restore the performance of your equipment. This assembly ensures smooth operation. This carbon brush assembly is compatible with 1 Power models P54332 and P54508. It's also suitable for various horsepower engines, including 11 horsepower, 13 horsepower, and 15 horsepower models. Make sure it fits your specific needs. This assembly supports power outputs from 5.5 kilowatts to 9 kilowatts. It's a critical component for maintaining the power and efficiency of your tools. Ensure your equipment runs at its best. The carbon brush assembly is designed for easy installation. It's a direct replacement part, so you can quickly get your tool back in action. This saves you time and effort. This carbon brush assembly ensures reliable performance. It helps maintain consistent power delivery. Trust this part to keep your tools running smoothly. What we like. This carbon brush assembly is tailored for specific power generator models, ensuring a perfect fit and optimal performance. It's designed for easy installation, saving you time and effort. If you own a compatible power generator and need a reliable replacement, it's a great choice. What people say. Perfect fit and works. Buon producto se adapto perfectamente al generator. Easy to install. I did have to shave down the ears some for it to sit correctly on my generator. But after this it was just fine. Number 2. Universal Carbon Brush Assembly for Generators, 5-pack. This is a universal carbon brush assembly, designed to replace worn-out brushes in your generator. It's a cost-effective solution to keep your generator running smoothly. This assembly is a pack of 5. These carbon brushes are compatible with a wide range of generator brands. They work with Honda, Yanmar, Champion, and many more. This versatility makes it a great choice for various generator models. The mounting bolt hole is 1/4 inch, with a 1 inch center spacing. The carbon sticks measure 1/4 by 3/16 inches. The design ensures a secure and reliable fit for optimal performance. The distance from the edge to the first brush is 3/4 inch, and the distance between brushes is 7/16 inch on center. It also features 2 single blade connectors for easy electrical connection. These dimensions are crucial for proper installation. This assembly is essential for power generation in your generator. The brushes have 2 holes with 1/4 inch diameter. You can use spacers if needed to ensure the brushes make proper contact. What we like. This universal carbon brush assembly is designed to fit a wide range of generator brands, offering a versatile solution for various needs. The 5-pack provides multiple replacements, ensuring you're prepared for future maintenance. If you're looking for a cost-effective and widely compatible option, this is the one for you. What people say. It was just what I need used for replacing old parts. These are a breeze to install. Popped new brushes in and bingo, it's working great. Number 1. Honda Generator Carbon Brush Assembly Replacement, 5-pack. This carbon brush assembly is designed for wide compatibility. It's a reliable replacement part for your generator, ensuring optimal performance. The brushes feature 2 1/4 diameter holes, spaced on 1 centers. They extend roughly 5/8 from the backside, also on 5/8 centers. Spacers can be used if needed to ensure proper contact. This style of carbon brush is used in numerous generator brands and models. It's a versatile solution for various generator maintenance needs. Manufactured under strict quality control, it offers stability and high reliability. This ensures the product's durability and long-lasting performance. Installation is quick and easy, taking only minutes. The improved design enhances durability and stability, and no special tools are required for the process. Before purchasing, please verify the part numbers and compatible models. This will ensure that it fits your generator correctly and meets your needs. What we like. This carbon brush assembly is designed to fit a wide range of generator brands, offering a versatile solution for various needs. Installation is a breeze and can be completed in a matter of minutes. If you're looking for a sturdy and practical solution with easy installation, you should consider it. What people say. It fit and solved my problem. These brushes were worn down after 15 months. 5 minutes cleaning, installation of the new brush, and I'm back to baking pumpkin bread in my convection oven. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.